Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for an awesome trip across Canada? We're going to explore some of the most delicious foods and must-visit places in this beautiful country. I'm so excited to show you some of the tastiest food and coolest places in this amazing country. Let's go! From coast to coast, Canada has a rich culinary tradition and breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in awe. First up, poutine. This iconic Canadian dish is a must-try for anyone visiting the country. You can't come to Canada without trying this. It's a staple in Canadian cuisine and loved by locals and tourists alike. Imagine crispy fries covered in cheese curds and then, get this, smothered in delicious gravy. The combination of textures and flavors is simply irresistible. It's like a big warm hug in a plate, and you can find it everywhere. From high-end restaurants to local diners, poutine is a beloved dish that brings people together. Next, we have butter tarts. These sweet treats are a Canadian classic and a favorite among dessert lovers. These are little pies that Canadians love. They are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. They have a crispy, buttery crust and a sweet, gooey filling made with sugar, butter, and eggs. Each bite is a delightful experience. They're super yummy. You have to try one. Pair them with a cup of coffee or tea for the perfect afternoon treat. Okay, let's talk about fun places to visit. First stop, Niagara Falls. This place is incredible and one of the most famous natural attractions in the world. The waterfalls are huge and loud, you just have to see them in person. The sheer power and beauty of the falls are mesmerizing. You can even take a boat ride right up to the falls. It's an exhilarating experience that you won't forget. After that, let's go to Banff National Park. This stunning park is located in the heart of the Rocky Mountains and offers some of the most breathtaking scenery in Canada. This park is in the middle of the Rocky Mountains and it's perfect for anyone who loves nature. Whether you're into hiking, wildlife watching, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, Banff has something for everyone. There's a beautiful lake with blue water, tall mountains, and even hot springs. Lake Louise is a must-see, with its stunning turquoise waters and surrounding peaks. Don't forget about Vancouver. This vibrant city on the west coast is a melting pot of cultures and offers a wide range of activities and attractions. This city is a mix of different cultures and food. You can find cuisine from all over the world here, making it a food lover's paradise. You can walk through Stanley Park, visit a big market called Granville Island, or relax on the beach. Stanley Park is a green oasis in the city, perfect for a leisurely stroll or bike ride. And guess what? Vancouver has amazing seafood, especially sushi. The city's proximity to the ocean means you can enjoy some of the freshest seafood around. We also have to visit Montreal. This city is a cultural hub with a rich history and a vibrant food scene. This city is known for its delicious food. The blend of French and Canadian influences creates a unique culinary experience. You can try smoked meat sandwiches, yummy bagels, and so much more. Montreal bagels are a must-try, known for their distinctive taste and texture. Montreal also has really cool festivals, like a jazz festival and a comedy festival. These events draw visitors from all over the world and add to the city's lively atmosphere. And finally, we can't forget about the Northern Lights. This natural phenomenon is a bucket list experience for many travelers. You can see them in places like Yukon and the Northwest Territories. The best time to catch this magical display is during the winter months. Imagine bright colors dancing in the night sky. It's like magic. The Northern Lights are truly a sight to behold and worth braving the cold for. So there you have it, a taste of Canada's delicious food and amazing places to visit. Canada has delicious food, amazing places to visit, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a foodie, an adventure seeker, or someone who loves to explore new cultures, Canada has something for everyone. Start packing your bags and get ready to explore. There's so much to see and do, and we can't wait for you to experience it all. Thanks for coming along with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more adventures. See you next time. Bye.